talk the BRVM. Tell us how that market is doing so far.
Hi, the BRVM was closed on Monday due to a bank holiday this week. So, but overall, the BRVM index continues its progression upwards and closed yesterday at 238.43 versus 237.13 last Friday. So year to date, the performance of the index is now plus 2.76% for the year 2014. And note that the performance in 2013 was plus 40%. So that's about the progression of the index.
Okay.
Now this week there was a few corporate events, dividend payments for BCC and Vivo Energy. BCC paid a dividend yield of 6.19%. Vivo Energy is paying a dividend yield of 1.31%. There was also an announcement for Bank of Africa Niger, who's proceeded to a rights issue. They're increasing their capital from 8.5 to 9.5 billion CFA francs by offering free shares to existing shareholders.
Okay, now.
So that's about corporate.
Say we had an investor that's looking at the West African space right now, so looking at the NSC, the BRVM, and the GSE. Now, what would you say to convince that investor to place their funds in the BRVM? Why would the BRVM be attractive right now?
I'm sorry, can you repeat your question? I didn't hear you properly.
I want to know why the BRVM would be attractive right now to an investor in comparison to, say, other markets in West Africa. What makes the BRVM so attractive?
Right. I think that there is the prospects for the BRVM are quite interesting. There's I mean, last year's performance of the index, for example, was quite phenomenal. 40% increase on the year. The yield, the average yield for in the market is also 7.5% expected. That's what the expected yield for this year. And over the last 10 years, for example, the average yield was around 7%. So it's quite attractive.
Okay, but what are some of the sectors that you're recommending right now for an investor?
From our research department is favoring three sectors, really, which is the banking sector, energy sector, and specifically we recommend buying Total, EIE, which is the electricity company, BCC.
Stephanie, I'm having difficulty.
And Booking.
I'm having difficulty hearing Stephanie. Hopefully we'll catch up with her again, but that was, of course, an update on the BRVM.